People love to know about future technologies. That's why channels like these are getting millions of views and subscribers. This untouched niche has huge potential. Most importantly, it's not saturated yet. So, act before it becomes oversaturated. Now, you may ask, how can I make futuristic videos like this? The answer is that AI will help you. And today, I will share the step-by-step method of making futuristic videos. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, to create the videos, we need video ideas. And to generate the ideas in script, I will use ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, type, I want to make futuristic living videos in various countries or cities. Can you please give me some video ideas? And then hit the send button. And here you can see that ChatGPT provides us the video ideas with details. So, now we have the video ideas, and it's time to generate the script. You can copy the video ideas and keep them in a doc file for the future. Once done, select a video idea and then go to the prompt box and ask it to write an engaging video script for the idea. I am generating a script for living in Japan in 2050. Here it is. The script is ready, and I think this is really a good video script. Okay, our script is ready. Now it's time to make the videos with this script. And to do that, I will use an amazing AI video and AI image generator hub called Vido AI. For image generation, you can use tools like Flux, GPT, or Google Imagen. For video creation, you can switch to Kling, Minimax, or Veo 3. What if you get all of these on one platform and at a cheap price? Video offers you that. From image generators like Flux, Midjourney, or SD3 to video generators like Kling, Hailou, Veo, everything is here. You can use all of them on one platform. And today I will use Video to create the video. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here you will find all the creative tools like AI image generator, AI video generator, AI video effects, and AI voice and sound effect generator. After that, you will find all the popular templates to create trendy videos like AI kissing, hugging, AI muscle generator, and many more. A bunch of options are available here. Now you can create this kind of trendy video within a few seconds. Next, you will find some recommended video clips. You can take inspiration from here. On the left side, you will find options for text to video, image to video, AI video effects, text to image, and image to image. Okay, to create our video, we can follow two methods, using text to video or generating the scene images and then turning them into videos using the image to video tool. In both methods, we need detailed prompts for every scene. So go back to ChatGPT and type, break this into detailed AI image video generation prompts for each scene. And here it is. You can see the prompts. They are really rich and detailed prompts. Now, let's create video clips using these prompts. I am copying the very first prompt. Okay, go back to Video AI and then select the text-to-video tool. Once you are on this page, select the video generation model. Here, you will find a bunch of options including Kling 1.6, 2.0, 1x2, Hailou, Vido, Google Veo, Dance, and Hailou 2. Each has different capabilities. I am selecting Hailou 2.0. After selecting the video generation model, I am pasting the prompt in the prompt box. After entering the prompt, set the video length between 6 and 10 seconds. Then, set the video resolution. Next, you can turn off the public visibility and copy protection to keep your video private. Once everything is set, hit the create button and then wait for some time. I am fast forwarding the video. Okay, our first video scene is ready. And look at the quality of the video. This is just amazing. Hailou AI did a great job. Now, here at the bottom of the video, you will find options to upscale and add sound effects to the video clip. I will use the AI sound option. A new pop-up will appear. Now, here you can mention the sound effect or leave it blank. Since ChatGPT already mentioned the sound effects, I will copy and paste the sound description. Once done, hit the create button. After waiting a little bit, I got this result. You can listen to the sound. This is amazing. I love it. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can try another video generator model. For example, this time, I am selecting Google Veo to generate the video. Veo AI Video Generator allows you to change the aspect ratio between portrait and landscape, but only allows you to create 5-second-long videos. Then, you can add negative prompts. Once all the settings are set, hit the Create button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. This is just amazing. The quality of the video is really good and slightly better than Hailou 2.0. But since it costs more credits, I won't use Veo. However, if you are making a short video and need portrait ratio videos, then you can use Kling or Vido text-to-video generator models. Okay, our first video clip is ready. Now let's create the second video clip. So, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, and then go back to Mind Video. Select the perfect video generation model, and then paste the video generation prompt. After that, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. And this is the second video clip, and the result is quite good and perfect for our video. Now, in the same method, I am creating the third scene video clip. This is our third scene video clip. The quality is good. Now, if you need a consistent character in your video, then you may be a little disappointed. To solve this issue, you can generate the image first using the AI Image Generator. Here, in the Text to Image Generator tab, you will find a bunch of options to generate images like Flux, Midjourney, Kling, DALL-E, and many others. You can choose any one. For example, I am selecting Midjourney. Now enter the prompt here in this box and then set the mode of the video. I am selecting the turbo model for a better result. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. After waiting some time, I got these results. And you can see the result. This is just amazing. I love the result. If you want to generate images in portrait ratio, then you have to mention the aspect ratio in the prompt. Or you can use Flux or any other model to set the aspect ratio. Now let's look at how you can create consistent character images. To do that, we have to use the Image-to-Image Generator tool. After coming to this page, select the image generation model. In my experience, Kling 1.5 is best for generating images with a consistent face. We just have to upload the character's face image here. Once the image is uploaded, enter the image prompt here in this box. Next, once everything is set, hit the Create button. And here it is. Our image is ready. And you can see the result. It perfectly creates a high-quality image, as per the prompt, but keeps the exact same face as the reference. So in this method, you can create amazing, consistent character images on Mind Video AI. Okay, once all the images are ready, we have to turn them into video clips. And to do that, we have to use the Image-to-Video Generator tool. This is the Image-to-Video Generator interface. Like the Text-to-Video Generator, you will find a bunch of options for video generator models. You can use any of them. I will use Runway ML. Now, if you have both the first frame and the last frame of the video, you can turn on the Add End Frame option. Now you can upload the images. However, we don't need it at this moment. Okay, now upload the image you want to turn into a video. Once done, enter the text prompt here in this box. Simply paste the same prompt you used to generate the image. After that, set the aspect ratio and then the video length. Finally, you can enter a fixed seed. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. After waiting some time, I got this result. And look at the quality of the video. This is really amazing. So, now in this method, you can turn any image into a video clip. Once all the videos are generated, download them to your device. Okay, all of our visuals are ready. Now, it's time to generate the voiceover. The AI voice and sound generator is coming soon. Once it's available on Mind Video, you won't need to use any other platform. At this moment, I will use 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. You can use any tool. After logging into 11 Labs AI, select a voice actor and then paste the voiceover part of the script. Once done, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. Once the voiceover clip is generated, download the voiceover file. Now we need sound effects and BGM. You can download them from YouTube Studio's music library. It's free and safe to use. Once all the assets are ready, we have to assemble them using a video editor. You can use any video editor. After importing all the assets to the video editor, insert the voiceover clip into the timeline. After that, insert the video clips in order. Now adjust the duration according to the voiceover. Once done, you can add transitions between scenes, add effects, and other elements according to the scene. Finally, add sound effects and BGM to make the video perfect. Once everything is set, export the video to your device. Okay, our final video is ready. Let's have a look.
The year is 2050. Tokyo, but not the Tokyo you remember. Welcome to a world where robots run convenience stores, AI doctors diagnose you at home, and virtual reality cafes let you dine with your favorite anime characters. In 2050, Japanese homes aren't just smart, they're alive. Your AI home assistant controls the temperature, suggests meals based on your health stats, and even reminds you when to water your bonsai tree. Remember those bullet trains? Now imagine levitating, hyperloops shooting across Japan at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Forget traffic jams, drones deliver your ramen in under 5 minutes. Tokyo's streets in 2050? Clean, silent, and smart. Even the vending machines predict what drink you'll want before you press a button. And when it's time to relax, the Japanese experience entertainment like nowhere else on Earth.
I think this is a perfect futuristic video. You can make it better by adding some extra effects. Alright, so now you can create this kind of amazing video using Vido AI. It offers a lot of variety to generate images and videos. If you are a content creator using AI to create content, why pay a lot for subscriptions? Just use Vido AI. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating videos using an AI video generator. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.